Now when you want to increment the value of n or any variable, there are two ways, plus plus n or n plus plus, or you can also write n equal to n plus 1, right? So generally not to write it in elegant form, we use plus plus n or n plus plus, but then there is a difference between these two. If you are going to use plus plus n or n plus plus individually as a statement, it doesn't make any difference, right? So if I say plus plus n or n plus plus individually as a statement, it doesn't make any difference, but then if I use it as an expression in an expression, then it will make a difference, right? Now see this, increments n before its value is used. So n plus plus n means this is called as pre-increment. Pre means before, okay, and n plus plus means post increment. Post means after. Increments n value after its value has been used. Now if you observe this, x equal to n plus plus, now n is a variable, its value has to be incremented, fine, but then x is going to take the value of n. Now n is going to have here there are two cases. Should x take the value before it has incremented or after? Now that conflict will be resolved by this. Plus plus means post increment is used here. Now the value of this one will be provided in this expression to be used, and after that value is used, finally at the end it will be incremented. Now let us say initially n value is 10, okay. Now if you write x equal to n plus plus, it means that first the value of n, the value of 10 will be stored in x, right, and then n will be incremented. This is the meaning of it. Therefore by the end of this execution, x will have 10 and n will have 11. So before this statement, if n is having a value of 10, after this statement x will have a value of 10 and n will have a value of 11. The same thing applies for this one as well. Just see the explanation here. Now if you observe this, let us say n's value is 10 before you execute this statement, and now x is there. Now if you see this, pre-increment is there. Now it means that you first increment it and then use its value, right? So its value is used in order to save it in x, right? Therefore first increment it. If I increment it, its value is going to become 11. Now this 11 has to be stored in x, right? Therefore x is going to get 11. Got it? So after this statement, both of them are going to get 11. So this is the difference when they are used in expressions. So remember that whenever its value is needed, in case of post increment, we use the value first and then increment it. In case of pre increment, we actually increment it first and then use the value. Got it? Okay.